Hi, Mathmaniacs. Here we have a problem where we are computing hourly rate. It says Travis worked 4 hours on Wednesday, 6 hours on Thursday, and 9 hours on Friday. His gross pay for all 3 days is $178.60. What is his hourly rate? Well, we know that hourly rate times the number of hours equals gross pay. So let's fill in what we know. We don't know his hourly rate. That's what we're looking for. So I'm going to call it H. All right. And then hours. Well, let's figure out how many hours he worked. He worked 4. Okay, sorry, I was trying to make my dog be quiet. All right. And then 6 hours. And then 9 hours. So to find the total number of hours, I'm just going to add those together. 4 plus 6 plus 9 tells me that he worked 19 hours. His gross pay was $178.60. Now, my job is to get H, or the hourly rate, by itself. So I'm going to divide both sides by 19, because that's how many hours he worked. And that'll tell me that his hourly rate was, and I'm putting this in my calculator, I'm going to put in 178.60 divided by 19 hours tells me that it was 9.4. But I need to make that look like money. So I'm going to change that into $9.40. Hope that helps.